The LUCID L300 adjustable bed base takes your Netflix movie night, detective novel, and breakfast in bed to a new level of comfort. Simply push a button on the wireless remote to find the perfect comfort position for you. Plus, it takes just 5 minutes to assemble and ships quickly. Enjoy exciting features like independent head and foot incline, dual USB charging ports, a wireless remote with a flashlight, and a programmable memory position. The motor is whisper quiet and will not interrupt your favorite TV show binge. The attractive upholstered frame adds to the style of your master suite. The bed base is backed by a 10-year warranty and is available in both queen and twin XL sizes. Remember, 2 twin XL bases make a king-size bed. Just push them together for individualized comfort for you and your partner, or sync them with the wireless remote control. Twin XL measures 37.5 by 79.5 by 15 inches. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. First ever folding hinge makes shipping more affordable and assembly effortless. Takes less than 5 minutes from box to bed. No expert assembly is needed. Number 2. Independent head incline. 0 to 60 degrees, foot incline 0 to 45 degrees. The premium motor is extremely reliable, quiet and responsive. Number 3. Wireless remote with a flashlight and programmable memory option for your favorite position. Batteries included. Number 4. Dual USB charging stations on both sides of the bed base feature a fast charge and regular charge port. Number 5. 750 pounds weight capacity. Twin XL measures 37.5 by 79.5 by 15 inches. Number 6. Upholstered frame in charcoal gray adds stylish look, 10-year warranty. Number 7. Great for pregnancy. If you've ever played the starring role in The Miracle of Life, you know that finding comfort while pregnant isn't as simple as just laying down. Lift, lower, and lock in your happy place with the L300 adjustable bed base. Number 8. Improved airflow. Sleeping at an incline aligns your spine and opens airways. By simply raising your head 10 to 30 degrees, you'll dramatically reduce snoring, relieve congestion, and even positively affect sleep apnea. Number 9. Better digestion. Inclining the angle of your head by just 6 inches can ensure your stomach acid stays in its proper place as you sleep, improving digestion. This also relieves throat stress and acid reflux. Number 10. Pressure relief. Do you sleep in a recliner every night because of back pain? With the L300 adjustable bed base, experience exceptional back support that relieves nerve and joint pressure all night. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.